Hey my YouTube family, what's up guys? For those of you who are new, over here we do everything lifestyle, fashion, organization, anything lifestyle we do over here, honey. Anyway, I am stocking a fridge today that I purchased for my mom. She's doing an entire kitchen makeover, and yes, there is no granite. We ordered some quartz and she could not make up her mind, but we needed to get some drinks in here for her to have something to drink on and for the grandkids to be able to grab. So we had the space. I ordered the fridge and now we are going to get it stocked. I am going to do a full video of her entire kitchen makeover, so stay tuned, follow, and subscribe for that. But right now, honey, we're going to get this fridge stocked because, you know, when you're doing remodels, the thing that you get the most is thirsty. So let's get into stocking this fridge. Oh, and don't come for me because I did put some zero sodas in here. We do drink healthy things, so mind your business. Now, before I started stocking, I quickly realized that I'm not as young as I used to be, and I needed a little stoop to sit on. So I took one of her small little foot ottomans, and I made myself comfortable. And that's my business, not yours. We're going to stock anyway, and we're going to worry about the fridge. So let's just get this fridge stocked together, and I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so y'all can see the full kitchen remodel.